will back you up every single time. Keep all your crystals, charms, and chains in one place, and plus prevent them from getting tarnished. So I'm go ahead and do the little exam. There are the other end right here. It will give you, allow you to get into more precision brush. But this is, I'm going to use it on this end to keep it really nice and precise. Seals and cap completely all the frame and metal and bars right there. Leave the crystal alone. You don't want to cover and seal the crystal, as it's going to destroy all the sparkle and the shines and the facets. So I'm going to go around, and then here's a pearl. We're going to seal the pearls as well. And then we're going to go and check around crystal right here. I feel scratchy right here. You're going to squeeze just a little bit. See how much it is? That's all you need. You don't need a whole lot. Little go a long way. Go on the edges, make sure. So this is not only keep them really double secure, it's make you feel so good and confident, because it's gonna hold all the crystal for your clients for, you know, 4 weeks plus. All right, so I'm go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. And then we're going to do the second one. Second one, we're going to do the same thing. And we're gonna go ahead and check around the crystal. I feel scratchy right here. When you feel it, you just squeeze just little. When sometime I show you, I squeeze it out just little, and I have to wipe it off the tips, and so I can able to do the check, because you don't want it flooded your crystal. So seal. And when you do that, your clients also feel it right away as well. This will really keep all of the crystals, charm, and chain to not catching on the hair, clothes, or fabric. So I'm gonna seal all the metals. You always want to make sure you cap it completely, but then you just going around the crystal instead of cover completely crystal, because then it's gonna taking away from a sparkle. And you see how sparkle it is. If you coat it with the top coat or with precision glue gels, it's gonna lose whole entire this beautiful sparkles and facets. Okay, so here for this one is 60 seconds. And then you can always repeat this step as you needed it. Like say sometime you're doing it and the client's like, oh my God, I feel it's so scratchy and I feel it's still catching on my hair. Make sure you can able to repeat it and you can do it again. But if you're doing it more than 1 or 2 times, make sure you go ahead and keep flat key it for 30 seconds before you do it again. You know what? I was thinking I'm gonna do the little of a SS on the tips, and I forgot. It's funny, I just want to do it here and I forgot. But you can, I was like, at least I do one and then one empty, so you can see that.